The MPI extension identifies a Ulead MovieFactory project file containing video editing and disk authoring project data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export these video project files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust MPI file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. MPI files are project files for Ulead MovieFactory, a video editing and DVD Blu-ray authoring application, now part of Corel VideoStudio. They contain timeline edits, clip references, transitions, menu designs, and disk layout configurations for producing video disks and media files. Ulead MovieFactory MPI files use a proprietary format storing timeline track data. Media clip references, transition and effect parameters, menu button layouts, and disk authoring settings. They reference source media files by path without embedding content. The native handler for MPI files is usually Corel VideoStudio from Corel Corporation. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows may open the video instantly, but detailed frame-by-frame editing requires a dedicated program. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the MPI file and select Open With. Try Corel VideoStudio first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If the MPI file won't open, don't panic. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, opening the project. Install Corel VideoStudio, which includes MovieFactory compatibility. Open the MPI file via the application's project opening interface. VideoStudio may import MPI projects from compatible MovieFactory versions. Ensure source media files are accessible at their original paths. Next, exporting video. After loading the MPI project, use the share or export function to render the final video as MP4, AVI, or DVD disk image. Configure resolution, bitrate, and audio settings for your target distribution platform before starting the export rendering process. Finally, relinking media. If clips appear offline after opening the project, locate the missing source files and update their paths in the project. Ensure all video and audio source files are accessible before attempting to export the final video output from the MovieFactory project. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.